Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your forgotten password on the Libertex stock trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Libertex application on your device. And once you are taken into the homepage, if you have forgotten your password, then in order to reset this, tap on the login button. Then within the login page, you will be asked to use your email address as well as your password. Now, if you created your account using your Google or Apple ID in the first place, then you don't need to set up a password at all. You can simply click on the respective buttons and then choose your Apple or Google ID to log in. Now, if you signed up manually, then tap on the restore password button, and now you will need to enter your email address once again. Type in the email address that is associated with your account and then tap on send email. Then after completing a small CAPTCHA test, you will be told to check your inbox. So open up your inbox and you will find the password reset email. Just open it up and then tap on the login to Libertex option, and now you will be allowed to update your password right away. Just type in your desired new password and then type it in once again for confirmation. And now finally, you can click on the confirm new password button, and now your password will successfully be reset. You can now use this new password along with your original email address to log into your account in the future. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the Libertex trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.